but that, I have an energizer here. So are you familiar with the TikTok dance, Five Little Monkey at Salos?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please stand up and just follow the step with you. But before that, I have a quiz. So here is the quiz. Once the music starts, all of us will dance. Okay, then if I point someone, he or she will remain stand and the rest will sit down. But if my hand signal like this, it means that all of us will dance again. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's begin this energizer. Okay, alright. Are we feeling energized now? Okay, so let us first reach an agreement before we begin our class today. Is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone, please read our agreement.
Raise your hand if you want to answer. Respect everybody's opinion. Listen attentively and refrain from talking to your seatmates.
Do you all agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before we begin today's session, I have an activity for you to review your learning from our previous topic. So this activity called Give Me My Kingdom. So the mechanics of this game is fairly simple. So I have 2-in-1 box here. The top of this box contains all the name of the student in this classroom. So, and the lower part of this box contains different pictures. So, then, now, I will be picking 3 students. Then, once your name called, I want you to stand up and pick picture here at the lower part of this box. Then identify which picture the picture belongs to the kingdom. And after you identify, put the picture to its corresponding kingdom. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, is there anyone have a question for this activity? Okay, so every three students will have 20 seconds to answer. And every students who get the correct answer will have a prize. So, without further ado, so let's begin this activity. Okay, so the first 3 names that I pick is, okay, so Florence is not here, so I'll just pick another one. Shalom is not here, so okay, Giancarlo. Oh, wala. Giancarlo is not also here. Okay, Bianca. Okay, wait, Bianca. So the second student, Christine. And the third is Carol. Okay, the 3 of you, please come here in front and take a picture here at the lower part of the are they correct? So this picture belongs to the planting and this picture belongs to Monera. So the three of you are correct. So please claim your prize here. Three of you please claim your prize. Thank you. So the second, please, I need the second, third, sunod, Miss Robin. Atea. Anna is not around. Desiree is not also around. Jonas is not here. Kayla? Is Kayla here? Alea? Alea? Jamaica. Jamaica, Thea. The last one is Ate Raquel. Please pick a picture. Okay, so sino nag-answer ani? Okay, Athea is correct. Also, Jamaica is also correct. And the last one is answer. Okay, so the three of you are also got correct answer. So please claim your prize here. All of you got the correct answer. So now I expect you all that you have already identified the kingdom within our biodiversity. So please give yourself a Tunisia clap. Please stand up, everyone. One, two, three. Very good. Sit down. So, before we begin our discussion, let's first have an activity. So, everyone, after identifying different kinds of kingdoms inside biodiversity, I want you to look further into what's inside a particular kingdom. Are we clear?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
this activity called Connect Me. So, everyone, please read our mechanics.
The class will be divided into 4 groups, and each group will be given a worksheet. In your worksheet, there are 7 boxes connected to each other. Clue definition in every box is given in the other sheet. After you analyze the definition, you need to fill out your answer. You choose the answer in the big box above, which contains all of your answers. 3 minutes is given to do that.
Okay, so I'm going to divide this classroom into 4 groups. So I have a worksheet and 7 questions here. So after reading the questions, put your answer in this box. So you can see these are the box. Then okay, I'm going to group this. Group 1. This is for the group 1. Group 2. choices. So, on the count of three, you may now answer. One, by the way, the first group to finish to answer will also have a prize. Wait, walang pa-wait. So, on count of three, 1, 2, 3, your time starts now. Very good.
Group 1 ba tayo pa? Group 3.
What group are you?
Group 4.
Okay, so we have the winner, the group 4 will receive the prize.
Uy, di ka. Group 4 na ito ha. May tabahin, di ba chance? Group 3.
Group 4. level of classification, which is divided into subgroups at the virus level. There are 5 kingdoms in which the living organisms are classified: mainly Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, and Monera. And your answer is kingdom. Okay. The correct answer. Okay, for the next question, is a scientific term grouping together related organisms on the basis of their fundamental characteristics. So, what are what's the answer? Phylum. Okay, phylum. Third question. Share more characteristics with each other than they do with other organisms in the same phylum. So, the answer is class. Okay, class. Fourth question is, in biological classification, the order is a taxonomic. Rank is the classification of an organism unrecognized by the nomenclature codes, and the answer is order.
Go to the next part.
Okay, class, are you ready for the next crisis? And here you are you ready? Okay, now, but before that, I am going to introduce you to our topic for today. What do you think is our topic for today, Miss Kagatan?
Our topic for today is about like some sort of species and their families.
Very good, and that is what you call as the hierarchical taxonomic system. Okay, so in this particular juncture, Miss Kabilin, I want you to read our objectives.
The end discussion, the students will be able to classify various species within their taxonomic system and explain how to preserve different species in the face of various.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Kabilin and Miss Kagatan. Please claim your little bit of prize. Okay, so now I'll be dividing this section into 7 groups by threes. Miss Cristel, Miss Along, and Miss Kagatan, your group 1. Miss Carol, Miss Palgan, and Miss Amparado, your group 2. Mr. Barilio, Miss Ricamara, and Miss Delman, your group 3. Miss Ruby, Miss Kabilin, and Miss Abordo is you'll be group 4. And then the 3 girls here, you'll be group 5. And then the both of you will be group 6 and then group 7. So, I'll be calling this activity the mystery picture. But before anything else, I want you to look at this particular video that contains a lot of information for you to be able to answer our activity. So here is the video. Okay, so thank you so much. And the first part is the cheating. Okay, so group 1 is group 1. Okay. Group 2. Group 3. Group 4. Group 5. It's group 5. Okay, so group 6. And then group 7. Wait a minute. Before that, okay, so I want Mr. Barillo, would you like to read the mechanics?
Got it. An envelope will be given to each group. In every envelope, there are jumbled letters and counts. What your teacher wants you to do is puzzle the math picture and solve the mystery puzzle. And solve the jumbled letters to identify the scientific classification of a certain organism. 4 minutes is given to do the task.
Okay, so the first group to accomplish the task will receive a certain amount of prize. The first thing that you are going to do is you have to paste the puzzle picture and the jumbled words into a long band paper that is provided. Okay, Mr. Barillo, thank you so much for your cooperation. And the timer starts now! Okay, you're doing well. Okay guys, so the first person who can put the answer here in 7 stages. seconds left. Okay, you're doing well, guys. It's hard? Okay. Wow, very good. Oh, you're almost there. Correct. Okay, guys, 1 minute and 55 seconds. Wow, very good, miss. Oh, perfect. Guys, 1 minute and 1 minute and 13 seconds left. Yes. Okay, just. Yes, oh, very good. Okay, just maybe put it here, ma'am. Wow. Yeah, here. One for you. Just, yes. Very good. So the answer.
It's enough.
Okay, so thank you so much. Guys, 10 seconds left.
Enough. Next demonstrator. There.